Hello crafty friends, Helen here and welcome. Today I will be creating 5 cards using 5 sketches from MFT Sketches. I love these sketches because there's so many to choose from and it's great to use for inspiration. I am using one of the paper pads from this month's box of the month called Sweeter Than Sugar. Now the box of the month is sold out, but you can be on the wait list, which I will link down below for next month. And these items that I'm using today are available at Shabby Shop a la carte, so I will link those below as well. I did make 5 extra cards using this paper pad and ephemera. I will also link that down below, and I also used the MFT sketches. I'm going to go ahead and play some music for you guys. I hope you enjoy the process, and I'll see you in the end. you enjoyed the process on how I put together these fun and easy cards, and I hope you got some inspiration from it too. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your time with me today, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.